Hello and welcome to another Solos theme feature demo. My name is Ala Haddad, the developer for the Solo theme, and this demo is for global site CSS injector feature. What is that and why it's here and how we use it? Uh, in some cases, I guess, you develop something or you create or anything, but there is a specific thing or a specific element on the page you want to change, and maybe you're using this theme or sub theme or something, and you don't want to really go ahead and push code or do something. You want it to be done immediately, or maybe you don't want to create a sub theme and go through all this just for a small thing. So I thought of building something inside the theme, allow people just to go and change that little thing of element. It require a little bit CSS knowledge, and but it's just really straightforward. You add the class, the CSS class or ID or something. And so how we use it, let's say for example, I have the website, here is the website, and there's something on the website I really don't like and I want to change, but just a specific thing, just a small thing I want to change. Like let's say for example, this date here, I want this one to be red or different color or something like that. So that's why I said some CSS knowledge. So by Google Inspector, that's what I did, and I right click and I click inspect. And once I do that, I am really here. You just see the what it is exactly. This is the class. So this is the class I have. And if I want to add color to this one or make it bold, so I'm gonna copy this one, highlight it and enter and Command C. I copy it and I'm going to the site where is the CSS. If it's an ID where it says here class, if it's an ID, you will start with pound, but it says class, you start with dot and Command V. And what it is exactly you're trying to do. Let's say, for example, you want it to be color red and you want it to be font weight bold. Let's do something like that. And I'm just giving an example, but this is specific. It will be useful for some really advanced, some kind of changing on the site. And after you do that, you just save. And I'm going to the site now, Command Shift R, and here it is. I changed it. So now, straightforward and just without installing or going through anything. And this feature, whatever you did, it's already saved in the setting. So if you export your configuration, theme configuration, it will be there and it will not be lost. This is a new feature. It was added to the Solo theme. Just from my experience and how much sometimes I want to change just a little thing without going through a big I guess process of doing it. I hope you like the feature. See you on the next one.